He Who Shall Not Bleed is the third album by the Swedish melodic death metal band Dimension Zero. The sampling at the beginning of the title song is a line by James Gregory from the film Beneath the Planet of the Apes. A paler shade of white could be a reference to a wider shade of pale. Track listing. He Who Shall Not Bleed 225. Unto Others 232. A paler shade of white, a darker side of black 233. Hell is Within 302. Red Dead Heat 157. I Can Hear the Dark 311. Going Deep 233. Is 312. Deny 330. The Was 310. Way to Shine 405. Stayin' Alive, Bee Gees cover, bonus track 201. Rebarvison, bonus track 130. Originally a children's song written by Thorbjørn Enner from the book People and Robbers of Cardamom Town. Musicians: Grave Gosberg, vocals; Jesper Stromblad, guitar, bass guitar; Daniel Antonsen, guitar; Hans Nilsson, drums. Recorded and mixed by Arnold Lindberg. Produced by Arnold Lindberg. Dimension Zero. References: